Welcome to Hyundai of Greeley. My name is Marcus and this is the 2011 Dodge Challenger SRT 392. Toxic orange, has racing stripes from front to back. This SRT 8 also has 20-inch SRT wheels with Brembo brakes. I'm going to give you a sneak peek inside. It's a push button handle. Inside we have leather bolster seats, navigation system, SRT stitching. This 2011 only has 14,000 miles and is in immaculate mint condition. Power seat for the driver's side. Nice touch here is the chrome gas cap cover. Spoiler on the rear deck lid. And let's take a look inside the trunk. Plenty of trunk space. Also, if you see to the left, the subwoofer. This has an upgraded amplifier and subwoofer on this SRT package. Coming around to the passenger side, as you can see, just straight as an arrow. This looks like glass, it's slick as water. On your outside rear view mirrors, you do have an automatic defrost. So it's a heated outside rear view mirrors. And now what you've been waiting for, I want to start it up and open up the hood. Brake sides, I'm not going to leave this running too long, but this is a 6.4 liter 392 cubic inch with 470 horses, 470 horsepower. This is your 2011 SRT8 at Hyundai of Greeley. You can call us at 970-939-5212 or just come down and take a look at the car. We'll see you soon.